guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about things that you could do inside the home to keep you occupied since we're all home and stay positive and be productive. So I am organizing my pantry, and I just thought that this is a fun little thing that you can do and keep it all organized. I want to show you how it is that I do my pantry. So what I like to do is get bins, and these particular bins are from IKEA. They also have them at the dollar store. So they are great because you can keep things grouped together. For example, this bin I have all my soups and marinades and sauces in. So you can literally pull out the bin, grab what you need, put it back. This bin is for rice and pastas, and so they're all in there. I have some pasta jars, but I haven't quite filled them all up yet. This one is for, any kind of sauces, breads, teas. These are for snacks, and you can just pull the whole bin out and decide on what it is that you want for a snack. These are for treats. So it's all organized. I even have like a water bin, and I just thought that this would be a good time to organize your pantry. Bins for your Ziploc bags and foil and different things like that. Another thing that is important to do when you are cleaning out your pantry is to check expiration dates. I found this, it's never been opened, but it is expired, so I'm trashing it. I also found some medicine that is expired, so you want to make sure that you are checking expiration dates because that will help you get organized as well. And as you can see, it's all organized when you walk in. You just pull out the bin that you need. On this side, we have our appliances all organized, my fabulous Instapot. And then we have Kairos cleaning kit because he's such a great helper. And so that is what I am doing to stay occupied and keep myself organized in some spring cleaning for Fancy Fridays. Some other ideas that you can do while you're home is get yourself a handy dandy Mr. Clean eraser. I love these things. I literally use them on baseboards, countertops if it's something hard to get clean, any scuff marks on the wall like this. And I'm just going around, and while I have time, I'm just scrubbing them, and the marks are erasing. So these are little things that you can do while we're all home and spring cleaning our house. See, voila, gone. And just wanted to give you guys some tips to get your houses clean while we are all home and have time. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.